Hi guys, today we learn about how to fix if Dropbox app is not working or not uploading file on Dropbox. So how to fix this issue on Android phone? So let's start it. So let's start. Open settings. Click more settings. Open app manager. Here is the app that is installed on my mobile. So open Dropbox app. Click permission and allow all the permissions. After that, restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, you can check Dropbox app is working properly or not. If still it is not working or not uploading a file, so then you click storage, click clear cache and clear data. After that, just restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, Dropbox app is working properly on your Android phone or uploading file is properly. So this is how you can solve your problem. Thanks for watching.